Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a great package for the savvy buyer. This is a 11 bedroom, 9 bathroom villa that sits on 1.5 acres. It comes with panoramic sea views. Located at Cousin Cove, Hanover. This property has main road access with restaurant and bar at a popular rest stop for visitors heading to Negril. This architecturally designed property offers a secluded and tranquil environment and peace of mind. Four-bedroom is on the ground floor, living, dining, and kitchen with patios. First floor has similar settings, with second floor having a three-bedroom flat. Additional amenities including pool and jacuzzi. The strategic location offers the option of additional development and or expansion of commercial building. Adjoining lot is being sold with this property. This property is a must-see. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1.1 million or Jamaican $169.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.